Hey there, my name is Kate, and I have the Botaniguard herbal drops. These were sent to me by Clean Nutra to try out, so thank you for sending me those. I don't try out products that I wouldn't put in my own body, so you're going to see me put them in my body, and I have not tasted these yet, so you might see me throw up, you never know. Needless to say, this is a defense mechanism. This is a definite preventative supplement that can help you reach your health goals. And inside of here, you have antioxidants, some respiratory wellness support, and immune function support. So when you look at the bottle, you've got D3, zinc, K2. They have a proprietary blend, which is like their secret sauce that has everything that you've been hearing about. Black walnut, holy basil, sea moss, turmeric. I mean, like everything that you've been hearing about that is supportive for your health, like seems to be in their proprietary blend here. Then you've got oregano, elderberry, black cumin, olive, and garlic. So pretty minimal, pretty minimal. It does contain tree nuts, walnuts. So just to be clear, if you have a nut allergy, this does contain walnuts from the black walnut. So on here, it says that you only need a half a teaspoon. That is a very small amount, so I'm going to give it a try. It says to shake it before you use it. I didn't see anything about storing it anywhere. Shake well. Oh, it says it right there. Good thing we read it together. Shake well before use, refrigerate after opening. So I have a little fridge in my bathroom closet area that I just stick all my supplements in, or like that top shelf up in your fridge is kind of a good spot to make sure nobody gets to it. All right, so I'm going to give it a try. Half a teaspoon, or let's see, 2 mLs. So this dropper is 1 ml. So let's slurp up 1 ml. Let me try again. Okay, I think that's about right. So I've got 1 ml here. It doesn't say anything about holding it under your tongue. For best results, take with a meal in an 8-ounce glass of water. Let's give it a shot. Moment of truth. Oh, it is not bad. Oh, are you kidding? I was not expecting that. If you've ever tried oil of oregano, you know, or any of these supplements that come in a dropper, they all taste equally terrible. Probably because they're not filled with artificial flavoring. All right, that was my 2 mLs, and like, I just feel like I ate a gummy vitamin. So they did a good job on making sure that the flavor was tolerable despite there being so many amazing nutrients in here. So check it out, add it into your wellness routine, and it's formulated to support your everyday health goals. I'm going to keep using it. It's really easy to get in. Oh, it's tart elderberry flavor. I didn't see that before. They did a really good job. The flavoring is completely tolerable. So check it out.